Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera app is not working in Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're using Galaxy S24 and you're facing the issue that your camera app is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a lump on your camera app and click on this silver button. Here, just scroll down, click on the storage icon, click on clear cache. Once I've cleared cache, now retry to open the camera app here to check if it's working or not. If your camera is not showing, but you can see this option here, so you can try to click on these four dots, click on settings. If you can access your settings menu, so you can try to scroll down here, click on about camera, and just check if there's any pending update for your camera app. So once you updated your camera app, it might also help you to fix out your issue. If it's still not working for you, so you can completely close your camera app from here. Go to settings here, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is completely up to date. You might have any pending software update here. Just try to check for the pending and the latest software updates. After doing this, your issue might have been fixed. If it still not worked for you, keep a long press on this camera app here. Click on this info button, go to permissions here and just make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to your camera app. These two are on depend on you if you want to allow them or not allow them. So let's say I'm gonna allow my location and my nearby devices here. It might also help you to fix out your issue. Or if it's still not working for you, so that's the only way. Just go to storage, click on clear cache and clear data. And once you've done, just click on force stop, click OK. After forcefully stopping your camera app, just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.